Let's talk about Workhorse. Hey guys, in this video I'll be talking about the upcoming Q3 earnings for Workhorse. I will talk about the future outlook of the stock. I'm talking about the USPS contract, and I'll be talking about the exciting news about their drone. My name is Ethel. I love to make videos about how you can earn, save and invest. If you love videos like this, please consider subscribing, and please give this video a huge thumbs up. It helps out my channel a lot. Thank you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before I get started, I'd like to say that I am not a financial advisor. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. According to Wkhs Investment Research and based on 3 analysts' forecasts, the consensus EPS forecast for the quarter is a minus $0.11 and revenue is at $0.04 million. This estimate is over 9,000% when compared to their last quarter report. Now in that report we can all see that they missed their estimate $1.65. Now we all know that Workhorse has been in the red for the past few days or weeks, and it will be interesting to see what will happen when the third quarter result comes out. So according to Workhorse Group, they'll be holding a conference call on Monday, November the 9th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. That is 7 a.m. Pacific Time, to discuss the financial result of the third quarter ended September 30, 2020. The financial result will be issued and a press release prior to the call, and the Workhorse management will host a presentation followed by a question and answer period. They have also said that you can call the conference telephone number 10 minutes prior to the start time, and an operator will register your name and organization. If you have any difficulty connecting with the conference call, please contact a Gateway Investor Relation at 949-574-3860. Now, like I said earlier, it will be interesting to see what will happen based on the rate that we've seen for the past few weeks when their Q3 earning comes out. So, but if they meet their expectation or they supersede their expectation, the price might go up, which means we are going to see some green days. Now let us look at some articles about Workhorse. Now the article from Investors Place says that Workhorse shares has been sliding after closing above $30 in mid-September. He says why. Workhorse stock is feeling the effect of continual delayed decision from the USPS Contract service for the replacement of its delivery fleets. Workhorse, we all know, is one of those companies that is left in the running and the only pure electric play. The contract could be worth $6 billion. But after starting the bid in 2015, the USPS is now looking at deployment of a new fleet in 2020. Obviously, one of the greatest catalysts of this stock, that's the Workhorse stock, is the USPS contract. So if they eventually win this contract, that will be massive for the company. But even if they don't win this contract, this company is a niche which will be profitable in the future. Even at that, there are several controversies about this stock in the market, and the latest is with Anthony Boza. So in the Robinhood Investors Conference, Anthony Boza pitched Workhorse as a short. So Workhorse has been trading just above Monday's close before the comments were reported by Bloomberg. Shares were down more than 55% in the past month, but still up more than 650 in the past 6 months. Now, Lakewood Capital didn't put out any statement about Workhorse, but I guess this, is just a comment made by Anthony Boza in the conference. But the reason why he made this comment is quite unknown. In the market, Workhorse has been red in the past week or in the past days, and we're not sure if it's because of the comment that this man made at the conference that led to that red. It is also easy to see that there are red flags, in the USPS contract. This contract was supposed to be awarded in October, but now it has been moved to the end of the year. Over the past few weeks, some red flags have started to emerge, with respect to the ostensible compelling workforce growth narrative. And these red flags have, in some, result in the material weakness in the Workhorse stock. Especially, much of the hype around the stock in 2020 has centered around the company winning the USPS contract. So for months and months now, Workhorse has been considered, a lot of people have considered the Workhorse as the winner of this USPS contract because of their leadership in the electric van industry. Because this contract has not been awarded, there are some individuals who do not believe and do not have faith that Workhorse is going to win this contract. And to be honest, it is really understandable for anybody to be worried about this. And this is basically because USPS has delayed to announce the winner of this contract. And coupled with what's going on in the market, the US election, the disease or the increase in the virus cases all over the world, and lockdown, here and there, must have affected whatever is going on in the market. But the good news though is that this company is still in a very good business. According to Investors Play, it says that the weight of evidence and data today continues to suggest that despite the delay, Workhorse will still win the USPS contract. According to numerous reports, there are 3 finalists for the USPS contract that we all know, especially truck maker Wkhs, backed by Ford, and the Turkish automotive company by the name Kazan Automotive. So it doesn't make sense that USPS would want to outsource the contract all the way to Turkey, especially in this unstable geopolitical climate and with the global pandemic. So a Kazan Automotive win seems unlikely. Meanwhile, the Ford Wkhs provides formidable competition, but according to 2018 press release, the Wkhs Ford entry in the program will have an internal combustion engine. It won't be fully electric or zero emission. See, out of all the different competitors that have bidded for this contract, it seems likely that Workhorse is the one that is likely to win this contract. Now when we consider a Turkish company, which is far away, and considering everything that's going on in this world, it seems unlikely that they are going to be the ones to win this contract. When you look at the Wkhs company, you can see that they are not going to give a total zero emission. So this puts Workhorse in a place of first position. Bottom line, Workhorse stock is risky, just as any other investment. So there is no doubt about it. The company has a lot riding on has a lot riding on the USPS contract. A win could send Workhorse stock to the moon. A loss could send shares catering. Still, the odds are good that Workhorse wins the USPS contract and leverage that contract to turn it into Tesla of delivery van in the US over the next few years. If that does happen, Workhorse stock has compelling upside potential for current levels. So the bottom line is Workhorse is a risky stock to invest in. So if there's a future with this company, when we look at this company generally, their amazing technology, especially with their drone delivery system. Also this week, Workhorse has submitted a formal application to the FAA for type certification of its horsefly delivery drone. Workhorse has submitted a formal application to the Federal Aviation Administration FAA for its horsefly unmanned aerial system. A type certificate signifies the airworthiness of a particular category of aircraft according to its manufacturing design. From application to approval of the certification process takes about 12 to 24 months. According to the CEO of Workhorse, he said that FAA type certification is the only path to scaling meaningfully long-term commercial revenue operation in the US, and we believe that our aerospace division is firmly on that path. He also said that the aerospace has flown hundreds of live packages delivered in months. All in all, this week has been red for Workhorse. But the good news is, if you are hoping to invest in this company in the long term, considering their niche and their amazing technology, this will be a win for the future. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. Guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.